Good morning. Fresh cup of coffee. This is my third cup already this morning. I don't even drink three, not very often, but no more than three. I need to get back where I'm drinking some decaf and all that too. But I need to show you my neighbor's casita. She hadn't been there in forever, but they have a woodpecker problem. It's just like my poles on my porch. It must be the color because they don't bother my poles or posts, but hers are kind of orange, and she's had woodpecker problems before on there, and they've patched the holes. Well, I see he's back, and I walked over there this morning and shoot him off. They need to, I guess, hang something down. I know there's a lady that watches her property, and so I saw her over there yesterday, so she's probably aware of it. But anyway, good morning. We are headed into town today. I think if you watch any of my videos, there's a few things that if you don't have it, you go into town no matter what. And one of them's creamer for my coffee. And we were planning on going tomorrow into town because Deborah needs creamer. Well, guess who didn't look at my creamer? I need it. I'm out now. This morning I'm out. So I got my grocery list. And we're not going to Walmart. We're just going to go to the local grocery and pick up. So we don't have to walk to Walmart and all that. Because I just need a few things. I've already worked on my meal plan for next week. I have that pretty much lined out. And what I'm cooking on Tuesday with Cook With Me, that is going to be a pretty frugal meal, and most stuffed pantry items you might or should have on hand. So, of course, if you like those ingredients, but more on that on Tuesday. You'll find out what that is. Brought a few things back from Texas that I want here. One of them is my bread machine. I realized that me being on the road for almost 10 years, my bread machine's pretty old. So if it doesn't work, I'll upgrade. But I bought this one at a garage sale, I don't know, 3 or 4 years before I hit the road, and made some bread in it. I'm going to try several different recipes. Someone gave me some bread flour, and I've never cooked with it or anything, so I actually found a bread machine recipe that uses bread flour. So I'm going to use that one first and see how it is. And here I'm rocking. Got on to Deborah last night for rocking, and I hardly ever sit in a rocking chair. So anyway, stop rocking. And so I'm going to, it's still in the camper, so I'm going to clean it up, wash it real good, and I'm going to try to make some bread when I get back. It says in a bread machine it takes 3 or 4 hours to make, so I'm not going to start it right now. I'll start it when I get back. We have some of that gravy left over. If you watched yesterday's video, I made beef tips and gravy and mashed potatoes. So we have mashed potatoes left over and gravy. The meat's gone out of the gravy, but so I defrosted some hamburger meat. So I'm going to make some hamburger patties and turn it into Salisbury steak. Yesterday's leftovers becomes today's new recipe of Salisbury steak. And I don't have any. I think you put mushrooms in it. I don't have any, and I'm not going to buy any. So I'm just going to use the hamburger meat and the gravy and the mashed potatoes. So that's already what today's dinner will be. I don't know what else we'll get into. It might just be a fast trip to the grocery store and back so we can get back and rest. All right, let's get started. Let's go. All right, we're at our usual spot. Sammy says, let me see.
She said,
Did you see?
She said, what you talking about, Mama?
What do you want? You want a tater tot or you want a... Yeah, we're at Sonic getting breakfast. And then we'll go to the grocery store, right?
Yeah, what stall are we in?
2.
2. All right.
We're in stall 2. Check in on the app. Look, found coffee for $9.99. It says you saved $26.90, but that can't be right. Well, it's saying it's worth $36. That's crazy. Get 2. Ooh, look what I got for a snack. It's been how many months since I've had sushi? A long time. 3 months, 4 months, yeah. So I had to get that. And it's just a snack. I'm going to have probably about 4 of them for now. Well, why did my table just move? Oh. Oh no, we're having an earthquake. Yeah, I'm going to have about 4 for a little afternoon snack before dinner. Yeah, maybe 4 or 5. I guess you could consider it lunch. Okay, I got my little makeshift kitchen back up and running. My oven is over here. And I have this little electric water teapot. It's supposed to warm up water. So I'm going to warm up some water. I'm going to make the bread. This is my little innards to the bread machine. I wonder how long this will take. Plus, I don't want it to be super hot. And here is this is bread flour. I think I mentioned it in yesterday's or this morning that this was given to me. And I've never made bread with bread flour. And this is getting pretty old. So I need to use it. We'll see if it works. My yeast I keep in the freezer, so I know that's good. I put it in the freezer after I bought it, so I know that's good. But 5 pounds. I need to get this used up. I won't show you the date on it because you'll probably go, oh, don't eat that. But anyway, I'm going to follow the instructions for this recipe, and then we'll put it in the bread maker and see how long it takes. I think it's supposed to be 3 hours. So, oh, that's already getting warm. All right, let's get this show on the road. Wow, that's fast. I'm not sure the temperature, but it's probably a little bit too warm. Yeah, I'm gonna let that cool off a little bit. That was fast. I checked it with the thermometer because I don't want to kill the yeast. Yeah, it's a little warm yet. I'll let it cool off for a little bit. Oh, the date's not too bad. August 14th, 2024. It should still be good. Oh, and it's got recipe for yeast rolls. Oh, I should look into that. And pizza crust. All right, let's assemble. Cup of warm water. 2 tablespoons of sugar. This is sugar. This is 1, 2, and okay, I had to look this up because I should have done it first. It says a 0.25 packet of yeast. I hope this is right. 2, that's 1, 2 1/4 If this isn't right, tell me below. Of course, I'll probably know if it works or not before you tell me, but 2 1/4. Alright, and then it says to wait 10 minutes to let the yeast activate. I'm gonna stir it a little bit because I put that. Alright, let's take a look. It's been 10 minutes. Oh, it's foamy. It is foamy. It's FOMO. Alright, let's see what's next. 1/4 cup of oil. I'm just gonna use olive oil. Quarter cup. Wow, that's a lot of oil, isn't it? 1/4 cup. Flour. Need a container for this flour. It doesn't say leveled cups, heaping cups. Just the 3 cups. Didn't say sifted, nothing. I'll put a link to the recipe in the description below. This is from All Recipes. And salt. Alright, we'll put it in the bread machine, let it do its magic. There we go. Alright, I have it set for white, medium, large, I don't know that that's a large loaf or not, and rapid complete. Alright. And, oh, start. And we're off. I'm going to check it here in a minute and make sure that it's not too sticky or too runny. Alright, I added a little bit of water because it wasn't becoming a dough ball. So now it's becoming a dough ball. So I think it's going to be okay. Yeah, it just was too dry. So now it's looking like it should, I think. I don't know. I'm going to let it go from here. Got a little butter on there. And a little bit of the crust. Pretty good. Especially since I haven't made bread in about 10 years, 11 years, 12 years.